Good morning, children. First class children. Have you all completed your breakfast? Okay, ma. And what I told you in the last class? Yes, lesson 3 notes I gave you. The old man and his sons. Have you all wrote that notes? Okay. Learn meanings, opposites, question and answers you have to learn well. Okay. And poem, baby chick poem. Have you all learned that baby chick poem? Very good. So now in this class I want to tell you lesson 4. What is our lesson 4 name? The Tale of Miss Moppet. The Tale of Miss Moppet. So you all know tale. Tale means toka. That tale is different, and this tale is story. Okay, the story of Miss Moppet. Who is this Moppet? Once we will see in the lesson. Okay, this mouse is very here. One activity was given. Later, after getting your textbooks, you can do this activity. And now let's see whether Miss Moppet, the cat. Who is this Moppet? The cat. This is a cat called Miss Moppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. Okay. Now let's see whether Miss Moppet, the cat, will be able to catch the clever little mouse behind the cupboard. So you all know that cat want to catch the mouse. Always it happens, even in Tom and Jerry also. You saw the Tom and Jerry? Yes. Like that, here also one cat is there. It want to catch a mouse. This is a cat called Miss Moppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. So here it is a beautiful cat. Its name Miss Moppet. This is the mouse seeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moppet. He is not afraid of a kitten. So here one beautiful mouse is there. So it was playing with the cat to hiding. వీళ్ళిద్దరూ ఆడుకుంటున్నారన్నమాట in the house. They both are playing hide and seek. Okay. This is Miss Moppet jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. She thinks it's a hard cupboard. So while it was running, it hit to the cupboard. దాని head కి తలకాయకి cupboard కొట్టుకుందన్నమాట. The mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. So here the mouse is watching that whether the cat is going in proper way or not. It is on the cupboard and watching the cat. The mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. Miss Moppet ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. Miss Moppet looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer. So this Moppet holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the duster. So this cat's head was covered with a mask. So it was covered. That's why outside what was happening, it's not able to see. So that's why this mouse is going nearer to the cat and coming back. Like that it was playing. Miss Moppet looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer. Miss Moppet holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the duster. So small hole is there to the duster. From that duster it was seeing that mouse, whether the mouse is coming near or not. దగ్గరికి వస్తుందా లేదా మౌస్ అని ఆ హోల్కి చిన్న హోల్లోంచి క్యాట్ చూస్తుందన్నమాట. And then all of a sudden Miss Moppet jumps upon the mouse. So suddenly the cat jumps upon the mouse to catch it, and because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet, so Miss Moppet ni cat ni అది చాలా ఏడిపిస్తుంది కదా rat mouse, అందుకని చెప్పి దాన్ని గట్టిగా ఎగిరి గట్టిగా పట్టుకుందన్నమాట. And because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of her. So it ran and catch the mouse. She ties him up in the duster and throws it about like a ball. So this cat kept that mouse in the duster and tosses it about like a ball. tosses means throw it like a ball. But she forgot about that hole in the duster. So while catching the mouse, it forgot about that there is a hole in the duster. So slowly the mouse escaped from that hole in the duster. And when she untied it, there was no mouse. So when she opened and saw that duster, there is no mouse. Where the mouse went? From that small hole, it escaped. అది తప్పించుకుపోయింది అన్నమాట హోల్ నుంచి. But she forgot about that hole in the duster, and when she untied it, there was no mouse. He was wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. Again it went up to the cupboard and dancing like anything. So how the mouse is escaped from the cat, this is the lesson. Very intelligently, very cleverly it escaped from the cat. Okay. So funny lesson, small lesson, only 2 pages. These 2 pages I will post in your class WhatsApp group, so that once go through the lesson. Okay. And I want to give you some new words in this lesson. Once all of you practice. Okay. Once again I will read the lesson. All of you listen. Okay. Listen 2 to 3 times. Listen the video, watch the video 2 to 3 times and understand the lesson what I am telling. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా. ఒక క్యాట్ ఉందన్నమాట. ఆ మౌస్ వాళ్ళు ఆడుకుంటున్నారు ఆ ఇంట్లో. సో ద క్యాట్ వాంట్ టు క్యాచ్ ద మౌస్ని గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవాలనుకుంది. మౌస్ ఏమో పైనుంచి చూస్తుంది. ఈ క్యాట్కి ఏమో మొహానికి మాస్క్ లాగా డస్టర్ లాగా ఉందన్నమాట. సో అది మౌస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, దగ్గరికి వచ్చి వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి అలా ఏడిపించింది క్యాట్ని. తర్వాత ఆ మౌస్కి చిన్న హోల్, ఆ డస్టర్కి చిన్న హోల్ ఉందన్నమాట. ఆ హోల్లోంచి క్యాట్ మౌస్ని చూసి వెంటనే ఆ మౌస్ మాస్క్ తీసేసి ఆ డస్టర్ని మౌస్కి కప్పేసి ఆ మౌస్ని పట్టుకుని బాల్ లాగా తిప్పేసింది. బట్ ద మౌస్ ఎస్కేప్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద హోల్. దానికి హోల్ ఉందన్న సంగతి క్యాట్ మర్చిపోయిందన్నమాట. సో ఆ మౌస్ ఏం చేసింది, ఆ హోల్లోంచి తప్పించుకుపోయింది. సో హౌ క్లవర్లీ ద మౌస్ ఎస్కేప్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద duster. That is the lesson, funny lesson. Okay, a funny incident happened in the house. Once I will read the lesson, all of you listen. This is a cat called Miss Moped. She thinks she has heard a mouse. This is the mouse peeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moped. He is not afraid of a kitten. This is Miss Moped jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. She thinks it is a very hard cupboard. The mouse watches Miss Moped from the top of the cupboard. Miss Moped ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. He comes sliding down the curtain. So they are playing in that house, sliding up and down, hiding from the cat like that. Miss Moped looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little nearer. Miss Moped holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the duster. The mouse comes very close, and then all of a sudden Miss Moped jumps upon the mouse and because the mouse had teased Miss Moped, Miss Moped thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of her. So which is not at all nice of her. అలా ఏడిపించకూడదు కదా. But the mouse teased the cat. So the cat got angry. She ties him up in the duster and tosses it about like a ball. So it throwed that duster like a ball, but she forgot about that hole in the duster, and when she untied it, there was no mouse. He has wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. Slowly the mouse escaped from the duster and dancing on the cupboard, sitting and dancing. Okay, so అది తప్పించుకుంది కదా, దానికి ఆనందం అన్నమాట. Okay, in this lesson I want to tell you new words. All of you please copy down the new words and learn well. Spellings you have to learn. All of you write heading lesson 4, the tale of Miss Moped. Write heading all of you. New words. New words. Okay, now new words. First one, story. S-T-O-R-Y, story. Leave a line and write neatly. S-T-O-R-Y, story. Next, second one, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Next, third one, cover. C-O-V-E-R, cover. Okay, write that three words. S-T-O-R-Y, story. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. C-O-V-E-R, cover. Next, fourth one, hide. H-I-D-E, hide. H-I-D-E, hide. Next, fifth one, clever. Clever. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Clever. Next, sixth one, afraid. A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid. Okay. Seventh one, sliding. S-L-I-D-I-N-G, sliding. S-L-I-D-I-N-G, sliding. Okay. Eighth one, cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Okay. Enough, ma? These 8 words you learned today. Okay. And listen to the lesson carefully and learn these new words. Only 8 words I gave you. These 8 words you learned. Okay. Next, here in the textbook one exercise was there. I will read that exercise and I will post this page in your group. You please try the answers. Okay, I will explain you now, no problem, but you have to write the answers. Only answers write and send me. Okay. Okay, you listen. The mouse comes dash down the curtain, sliding or packing. What is the answer? Yes, sliding. My father is dash TV, watching or kicking? Watching TV. Very good. Next, the aeroplane is dash high up in the sky, flying or packing? Okay, flying or packing? Flying. The aeroplane is flying high up in the sky. Okay. Okay, once again I am telling, the mouse comes sliding down the curtain, the father is watching TV, the aeroplane is flying high up in the sky. And two more I want to tell you. Raju plays with the ball by dash it hard, watching or kicking? Kicking. So this exercise I will post in the group so that it will be easy for you. Just I want to explain so that you will write the answers easily. Simi's mother is dash a gift for the birthday party, packing a gift for the birthday party. Okay. Next, one more exercise is there. A giraffe likes to eat dash. So in the brackets I will give the answers, and answers I will tell you now. Okay, answers I will tell you now. Just you listen to the video and write this homework 2 exercises. Okay. A giraffe likes to eat leaves. A bear likes to eat honey. A hen likes to eat grains. Penguin likes to eat fish. A monkey likes to eat bananas. Okay. And in UKG you learned that that. This exercise also I will post in the group. You just fill the answers and send. Okay. You just fill the answers. This is a tree. If the tree is far, you have to tell that is a tree. If the tree is near, you have to tell that the tree, this is a tree. Okay, this that exercise I will post. So this, that. If the tree is far, what we will say? That is a tree. If the ball is near, what you will say? This is a ball. Okay. This, that. This exercise I will post this in your group, and you have to fill it. Okay, fill and send. You have to write only answers. You write this, that, first one this, that, second one this, like that you write and send me. Okay. Next, all of you go through this lesson and these exercises, this and that exercise, this and that activity also. Okay. Okay children, and revise the past videos also, so that you will be thorough with that.